COTI can handle 100,000 transactions per second, but will it be able to keep up with demand? COTI began in 2017 as a decentralized alternative to payment providers like PayPal and Visa. The network's decentralized nature allowed it to avoid the constraints of traditional banking, and its departure from a traditional blockchain allowed it to scale up. COTI has unveiled a slew of new features and updates since launching its staking platform in 2019 in an effort to become the go-to payment solution for businesses and merchants. In November 2021, the native cryptocurrency of the payment service, or COTI, set a new all-time high. But as we progress through 2022, does COTI have what it takes to keep the momentum going? This is Fiat Bear. Before moving ahead, please take a brief moment, go down and touch that like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to stay connected. COTI uses a directed acyclic graph or DAG protocol, which resembles a tree with transactions branching out, rather than a blockchain, which is a chronological record of transactions. It can now handle 100,000 transactions per second, which is faster than other cryptocurrencies and even Visa. With that being said, is that enough for you to invest in COTI? Are you interested? Well, we'll let you know about everything you should learn about it first. Without further ado, let's begin. What is COTI Crypto? COTI is a cryptocurrency that is built on the Ethereum network. COTI is a cryptocurrency and a form of token named after the blockchain protocol that underpins it. Within the decentralized blockchain network, the platform allows for cryptocurrency transactions. It stands out from the competition because it allows governments to manufacture and trade coins. The COTI network is based on a DAG or directed acyclic graph ledger that provides high performance and scalability. The platform's consensus algorithm is known as DAG chain according to the development team. COTI users don't have to deal with the usage of intermediaries or third parties because they are no longer required. The token is a stable currency that is not subject to the high price volatility that other cryptocurrencies are. From the COTI Whitepaper, the 65-page COTI Trust Chain Consensus was released on October 2, 2018. Our vision of COTI is to empower users to freely exchange value as simply as information is exchanged on the internet, according to the whitepaper. To achieve this, we are developing the Trust Chain Protocol based on a directed acyclic graph or DAG distributed ledger, which creates a scalable blockless protocol that can be utilized by any industry that needs high throughput and trust to operate. COTI is uniquely positioned to provide the infrastructure needed for industries requiring immense scalability, in addition to an arbitration mechanism to resolve disputes, fraud, or double spending, and errors, the statement continues. Price history. On June 4, 2019, COTI launched its mainnet and native cryptocurrency. COTI's price began to fall after its introduction from $0.088 on June 5 to $0.069 on June 26. COTI's price fell into a bearish trend for the next 8 months as a result of this. The COTI network launched its Universal Payment Solution in August 2019, a platform that enables businesses to accept decentralized payments. The low cost, rapid payments, and many currency alternatives made this new service an appealing sell for merchants. Despite the new platform, COTI's price continued to decrease, reaching $0.027 before the end of the month. This bearish trend persisted for the next few months until it hit an all-time low of $0.006 on November 9th. COTI's price rose somewhat in late November after the company announced a partnership with Cardano to launch a payment network. ADA Pay is a platform that allows companies to accept Cardano's native cryptocurrency, ADA, as payment. It can be exchanged into 35 fiat currencies and has near-instant settlement capabilities. COTI had crossed the $0.006 barrier by the end of November. However, it began to gather traction toward the beginning of 2020. On the 7th of February, the coin began a bullish trend, reaching a high of 3 cents on the 24th. This was done in preparation for COTI becoming listed on Binance on February 26th. COTI created a multi-DAG system that allowed it to offer branded stablecoins to businesses, which boosted the price throughout the next month. As a result, the network became one of the first platforms to create stablecoins. The COTI price increased marginally from the last jump, reaching $0.035 on March 6th. For the next few months, COTI's momentum slowed, but it didn't take long for it to pick up again. The coin was trading above its launch price for the first time since July 2019. After COTI issued the ERC20 version of the token on Uniswap, the price of the token skyrocketed. By the 30th of August, the price had risen to $0.089. COTI's momentum waned after that, and the price did not come close to this level for the remainder of 2020. Partners and competition. COTI has teamed up with Ripple to generate COTI stablecoins, which are based on XRP and used on COTI's platform. They've also reached an arrangement with NEO, allowing them to take advantage of NEO's technologies and ecosystem. COTI is an official partner of eToro, one of the world's largest investing networks for social trading. Many big organizations in the global payments industry have worked with the company, including Visa, MasterCard, UnionPay International, Danone, and Alipay. COTI is a cryptocurrency that competes with Ripple and Stellar. COTI is attempting to address a different issue than those coins by lowering transaction costs and waiting times. They also don't directly compete with companies like Amazon or Apple because they don't process transactions. Rather, they give infrastructure to other providers who want to stay self-contained. COTI's Coin. COTI is both a currency and a token. COTI DAG is the name of the coin's platform. It employs the DAG chain consensus technique, which is optimized for contemporary hardware. COTI's purpose is to be more than just a store of value. It also serves as a stable unit of account and medium of trade. On September 22, 2017, the platform and its tokens were made available for purchase for the first time. COTI has a total of $8 million in tokens, with $1.6 million changing hands during the pre-sale period. To ensure a consistent value, the team chose to distribute new tokens at a rate of 7% per year. COTI has declared that, while they will begin with 2 decimal places for very small transactions, they would eventually use fractional quantities down to the millionth place for all transactions. Hold on, please click the subscribe button to get an alert for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. What do you think about COTI, and do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Now, let's get back to the video. COTI and Taxes. Investors considering contributing cryptocurrency to COTI or withdrawing it from the platform should be aware of the potential tax implications. There is no specific advice to offer owners of digital currencies because the IRS has yet to release official guidelines on how these transactions should take place. To ensure that they file accurately and pay all of their taxes, investors should get help from a tax specialist. COTI's progress. Since its introduction in 2017, COTI has made great progress, achieving the biggest daily volume of any cryptocurrency over the previous month and attracting investments from a number of major corporations. On July 31, 2018, COTI announced the launch of a digital wallet. The company has raised $10 million in funding from 30 foreign investors from Asia, the Middle East, and Europe, including China's largest blockchain investment firm, NGC. After learning about COTI's payment infrastructure, stable currency, digital wallet, and COTI DAG system, investors recognize the value. COTI's team is now working on plans to introduce the wallet to the general public. You can trade COTI on Bitfinex, Gatecoin, Banker Network, and IDAX. COTI is taking major steps to form collaborations with other cryptocurrency-focused firms. COTI is expected to begin trading at $0.828 in 2022, according to Crypto Academy. The current price of the cryptocurrency is $0.398 per coin. On December 31, 2021, the price of a single coin was $0.268. Is COTI a good investment? Well, let's summarize what we've learned. The transaction fees are inexpensive, and the transaction wait times have decreased on COTI's platform, making it a worthwhile investment. COTI's engagement with eToro reflects its commitment to collaborating with other social media platforms. It's impossible to predict how the platform will function over time, and it's still vulnerable to market volatility. Because each investor's tolerance for risk varies, they should consider their complete financial portfolio before deciding to invest in COTI. And there we go. What do you think? Would you be interested in investing in COTI? Why? Let us know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated with our latest content. If you want to make money, then Fiat Bear is for you. Thanks for your time. Cheers!